Hi everyone, my name is Heidi Jennifer. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal. Let's do this. And this video we're gonna be making salsas. Well, it's the whole series that we're gonna do of the salsa series where we're going to make different salsas, boiling, roasting, using the blender, the food processor, and the molcajete to just experiment, I guess, between the difference of the consistency between the roasted and a boiled salsa and using the blender or food processor in contrast to the molcajete, just to absorb taste. You can never get too many salsas in your life, so just in case you want to come back to this video and the other videos, they'll be here for you. So when you're ready for that little carnita asada. All right guys, so let's get started with the first, introducing the types of vegetables we're going to use and the seasonings, and then we'll get started with making them. The ingredients that we will be using for the salsa are tomatoes, serrano peppers, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, and chicken bouillon. To begin, add a pot with water to the stove on high heat. Add the tomatoes and the peppers into the pot, allowing them to cook for 12 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, add the onion and garlic to the food processor or blender. Blend until they are chopped finely. The vegetables in the pot will begin to change color, so you can turn off the stove and allow them to cool off. Once the tomatoes and peppers are finished, introduce them to the food processor along with the seasonings and process on high to achieve a smooth consistency. Taste for the salt level. The amount of vegetables that I use and the seasonings are to my preference, so just remember that you can always mix things up, add more chiles, decrease the chiles, or use different types to make it how you want it. For the roasted salsa, use a comal or pan. Using high heat, allow the comal to get hot. I've added a foil for easy cleanup. Add the oil and the vegetables. They will begin to change color and develop a charred texture. Rotate the sides to be able to have even a roastedness. The onion and the garlic tend to roast faster than the other vegetables, so make sure to keep an eye on them. Remove the vegetables from the comal. If you're using a food processor or blender, you can also use the pulse option to have a thick consistency. If you're using a molcajete, start by grinding the garlic and onion, then continuing with the peppers and tomatoes. Add the seasoning towards the end and taste. You can let me know down in the comments below what is your preferred method when you make salsas. And if you're new to making salsas, which method do you think would be easier for you to use? I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the first salsa series. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you want more, let me know. And for the recipe will be on the website. You already know, that's in the description down below. Now, see you next time on the next episode of Salsa Series, Green Salsa Edition.